Tokyo continues to suffer from extreme weather conditions. The amount of precipitation was a record high. Authorities have declared an orange alert level. The size of the hailstones reached 5 centimeters. Wind gusts reached 90 kilometers per hour. Residents shared footage of the natural disaster on social networks. Thick hail covered the roofs of houses and cars. The streets and courtyard turned white. Severe flooding occurred in several areas of the city. Residents were looking for safe places and hiding from the hail. There were problems with movement on the roads. Several cars had their windshields broken. The hail caused damage to farmland and orchards. Power outages have also been reported. People received minor injuries. There were no reports of serious injuries.